nag-gel talaga yung mga interests namin. Hindi ko alam kung dahil sabay kami ng birthday. Hindi, actually sabay kami ng birthday. Kaya siguro medyo nag-gel, July 20.
So,
expected kami ng mga interests.
So expectedly, meron na kayong plano for your birthday mo?
Wala pa nga, actually. Wala pa po kami nag-dance.
Yung bang nag-start? Well, tama naman kami or...
Hindi ba. Well, nag-uusap-usap na po kami ng time na yun. But like, yun nga sabi ko, when I drink, I get too excited. And yung pogi, miss ko.
Hindi mo na...
Well, nag-uusap na po kami nun. Medyo papunta na kami sa... Nagkakamabutihan na po kami.
May ligawan.
May nag-ligawan.
Nag-ligawan.
Yeah, no. It was actually my trip. Because I did a lot of films last year, so I wanted to take a break. So I talaga nakaplano yung 1 month ko sa Siargao. Yes, and since nag-usap na kami na ni Dominic, he asked me kung is it okay if I follow Siargao. I want to get to know you more. And sige po.